Okay, this is my fucking second attempt. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing the hot ramen noodle challenge. You know what? I'm a little annoyed already because this is my fucking second attempt and my camera keeps shutting down. So anyways, this is the hot ramen noodle. This is not the, I guess you could say, original one. I couldn't find them, so I bought these. There's 6 in a pack. They're not even that expensive. Obviously, they're a little more expensive than the actual regular shit of ramen noodles, but anyway, so what was I saying? Okay, so in the original or I don't even know if it's the original, actually. I don't even know why I'm saying that, but in the other actual spicy ones, it's like a liquid saucy thing. This one comes in powder. So I already threw in the powder. This is what it kind of looks like. It's not as red maybe, or it looks a little faded. And I mixed it as much as I could. And you can still see it's kind of still hot. Yum, yum. Anyway, so let's give this a go. Here we go, guys. Motherfucker. Bitch. At first, it seemed kind of salty, but then that shit kicks in pretty bad. Ooh, baby girl. And that's just the first bite, motherfucker. I thought I would be slick and take out all the water just so this shit wouldn't be hotter, you know. I was not gonna let that shit marinate in the water. And maybe I should have. Maybe it would have taken some of this shit off. This is spicy, you guys. Okay, there you go. Second bite wasn't that bad. That shit was a little bit more manageable. I'm gonna pay for this later for sure. Mother. Skirt. I told myself that I was not gonna drink anything until I finished this shit. But I don't know. I'm gonna try my best to eat it as fast as I can. I don't know. I think I'm stalling too much. I'm talking too much. This shit is spicy. My brain is telling me yes, but my mouth is saying no. This shit's spicy. It is, however, salty. So maybe I should have left some water on there because it is salty. As burner wise, this shit is probably a solid 9. I still think like torta ahogadas hot sauce is fucking stronger than this, which by the way, I want to do tortas ahogadas mukbang. If you guys don't know what that is, look it up. But I will definitely talk about it when I do the mukbang. It's delicious, and it's as burner too. So My eyes are getting watery. I have some water here just in case. And it's actually eyeballing me. I'm gonna go ahead and approve of this. I don't know if this is breaking the rules, which I don't think it is, but this shit is spicy. Imagine if I would have done 2 noodles. Fuck that. Motherfucker. I already feel my nose running, my mouth, it feels numb. Numb in a way that I can still feel the pain. I still got this much more, you guys. Oh shit. How do people put themselves through this pain, man? Fuck. Oh fuck. I really don't want to keep eating this, but I'm not a little bitch and I'm gonna come through. Ooh, you guys. This is spicy. You know what? Fuck, no. I'm not gonna do it. Fuck. Honestly, fuck, I wish you guys could see this. This shit is... I'm gonna try to put this whole thing in my mouth. Girl. I'm gonna try to kill this. And I will just need 2 more bites and I'll be done. So here we go. I'll try to bite it and swallow that shit as fast as I possibly can. So here we go. Think happy thoughts. Okay. Woo. Fuck. I'm gonna pop this bitch open as soon as I fucking take this last bite, because this shit is no joke. Fuck, why does everything get falling? Okay, I guess 2 more bites. Done. Yes. Woo! That zip was amazing. I think that was the best shit that happened to me in the past 3 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes. Baby girl, that shit was hot. Whew. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy that. Watching me suffer. Come back with another mukbang. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.